What are these for? Welcome to Dallas. I figured now is as good a time as any to address the fact that I have a problem. How many times have I stood in front of you this year and told you I'm committing to make a video once a week? I think this is like the 5th time. See, when I first started YouTube like a year ago, the only goal that I had was to make content as much as I could. And I did that every day for 12 days in a row. I woke up every day, I shot every day, edited, and uploaded. And it was good. I was challenging myself as a filmmaker. I was growing and learning new editing techniques and shooting techniques, and I was becoming a better filmmaker and a better person. And then I stopped. And then I came back again and I told you guys, now I'm gonna make photography tutorials. And then I stopped. And then I said I'm gonna make video essays. And then I stopped. And then I said I was gonna make these weird video essays. And then I stopped. And I've been thinking a lot about why have I stopped? Why am I not more consistent with my YouTube uploading? Before I get to that, I'll tell you about how I got here. It was late at night, I was watching YouTube and I got recommended my own video from another page. And I fell down a rabbit hole of watching my own videos, which is something a creator never wants to say about their own work. But I started watching my vlogs over again, and then I started watching the tutorials and the video essays, and I realized how much I was doing and how much content I was putting out there, and how good it felt to be creating every day, to be pushing myself to make something every day. And I kept thinking about, why did I stop? What happened? You know, I look at my favorite YouTubers right now. People like Levi Allen, like Peter McKinnon, like Cody Warner. These guys upload consistently. They do their thing consistently. And I always wonder what happened. Why am I not doing that? And then I realized what happened. And I realized the thing that pulled me out of making videos consistently. It's something that every new YouTuber, every new content creator gets caught in. I started looking at the views. Once I got a taste of something that got views at all I wanted was to get more. And the creativity, the bettering myself as a filmmaker, the learning new techniques, it all fell to the wayside. I started playing the YouTube game. I wanted to get views, and I wanted to get people to sub to my channel. I wanted comments, and I started trying to make content that fit that YouTube niche. Everything that you see on YouTube about being a new YouTuber, they say find your own niche. Find your own little area of expertise that nobody else is doing. So if you're wondering why I went from vlogs to photography tutorials to video essays to more weird video essays, that's why. I was trying to make content for other people, and that's the biggest problem with everything. As a creator, when you lose the autonomy of making what you want, you start to lose the heart of it. And for me, when I started making content so that way people would watch it and share it, and I stopped making content because I was trying to better myself and I was trying to make something that I felt was good, my content fell off and I stopped uploading. So I'm here to tell you, if you're a new YouTuber, the numbers don't matter. Don't look at them, don't even think about them. I mean, they're there. They're right underneath your video, looking at you, telling you how many people look and care about your video, but that's not it. I got so blinded by the fact that I could only get 60 to 100 views on all of my vlogs that I didn't see the outpouring of support that I got when I started uploading. People were texting me, sending me messages, sending me Instagram DMs every day, telling me how much they enjoyed the vlog, how much I was inspiring them to get out and shoot. And I threw it to the wayside because I wanted to have more people. I wanted more views and more eyeballs on my stuff. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if you have 50 followers or 50,000 or 5 million. If you have a group of people that care about what you're doing and that want to see your work, you're moving in the right direction. Always, always, always cultivate that and care about the people that care about your work. It took me a long time to realize that. Now we're at the awkward part, because I've literally just said that I've told you guys I want to make videos once a week 6 or 7 times this year. But I do genuinely want to make videos once a week. So how do I stick to a goal that I haven't met before? Put a timeline on it for one. 1 video a week for 2 months, that's 8 videos. If I can stick to that, 8 videos in a row, once a week, for 2 months, then I think I can commit to a YouTube schedule of 1 video a week. The other problem I've had with this is that I've always attached things to it. I'm gonna make 1 video a week about this, and then another video a week about this. I overloaded my plate a lot. So what I really wanna do is pull back the reins on this one. 1 video a week, it doesn't matter what it's about, doesn't matter if it's motion graphics, doesn't matter if it's a vlog, whatever. Just 1 video a week for 8 weeks in a row. The last thing that I need to think about is how to incentivize myself, which is something I've never really been good at. From successful goals I've seen in the past from other people and from myself and from all my friends, there's always an incentive at the end of the goal. You know, lose 10 pounds and then you can go to Italy in a bikini. That's a bad example. This one's kind of hard for me because I don't know how to incentivize this goal other than thinking about how I want to be a better filmmaker. So if you've got any ideas about things that I could do at the end of this 2-month period that would make me want to do this goal more, leave them in the comments below because I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know that I want to do it, and I know that I want to commit to doing 1 video every week for 2 months or 8 weeks. I also know that I'm probably gonna upload these simultaneously to Facebook and YouTube because most people seem to like my stuff when it's on Facebook. So if you like the Facebook platform, good for you, it'll be on there, and if you like the YouTube platform, it'll be on there too. Okay, I think I've taken up enough of your time. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video because that actually does help me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
And I say I won't leave, just a smile and I am down below. And I try to breathe, call you 7:22 a.m. Not the tone of your voice in the morning.